If you're an NFT enthusiast, you know that the space moves at a lightning fast pace. It can be tough to stay up to date with all the mint dates, project reveals, and timed auctions that are constantly happening. And let's not even get started on keeping track of collectors and large-scale trades that can be a real challenge. Luckily, some companies have developed tools to simplify the process. These tools are not just trading services like Rarity.tools and TradeSniper, but they also help you collate data about projects and individuals. It's crucial to keep up with significant events because a single trade from an NFT whale can make or break an entire collection's trajectory. But tracking Twitter feeds and Discord announcements can only take you so far. That's why we've put together an evolving list of services that can help enthusiasts of any level track collectors and trades. If you're serious about NFT, you can't afford to fall behind. With the help of these tools, you can stay ahead of the curve and make informed decisions about your NFT investments. Welcome to NFT Empire, the channel that keeps you up to date with the latest in the NFT world. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 7 powerful tools for tracking NFT collectors and trades. If you're an NFT enthusiast, collector, or trader, you won't want to miss this. From analytics platforms to marketplace activity trackers, we've got you covered. So, watch till the end and it'll give you a bonus tip at the end. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more NFT insights and updates from NFT Empire. We appreciate your support. Let's dive into the world of NFT tracking tools. Number 1. Ninjalets. If you're looking for a reliable crypto and NFT tracking service, Ninjalets is definitely worth checking out. Despite being a newer platform compared to some of its competitors, it offers a valuable feature that lets users identify specific contract or wallet addresses and receive notifications when there's an event on either front. With Ninjalets, you can get push notifications straight to your phone as soon as minting starts, NFT reveals happen, or when whales and influencers make their next move. This feature is incredibly helpful in keeping up with the fast-paced world of NFTs. What's great about Ninjalets is that you can purchase a lifetime license to the mobile and web app in the form of an NFT through their official OpenSea storefront. This means you can own a piece of the platform while also gaining access to its services. So, if you're interested in staying ahead of the game in the NFT world, Ninjalets is definitely worth considering. Number 2. Nansen. If you're in search of a comprehensive analytics platform for NFTs, Nansen is definitely worth considering. This platform combines on-chain data with a vast and constantly expanding database containing millions of wallet labels, offering a suite of user-friendly dashboards with tools such as wallet profilers, smart alerts, top holder and token distribution information, and more. Although Nansen can be a bit pricey, it goes beyond simply tracking collectors and trades. The platform provides users with downloadable data, exclusive insights and reports, live DEX trade updates, and much more. As a well-established platform that has been through the ups and downs of the NFT market, Nansen is one of the most popular choices among NFT analytics services. If you're serious about NFTs and want to make informed decisions about your investments, Nansen is definitely worth considering. Its powerful analytics tools and exclusive features can give you an edge in the competitive NFT market. Number 3. Icy.tools. If you're looking for a reliable NFT analytics platform, Icy.tools is definitely worth checking out. The platform offers a range of great analytics tools and went live during the NFT market boom, making it a popular choice among NFT enthusiasts. With Icy.tools, you can easily discover trending projects and track floor prices, volume, sale history, and more. While many tools on the platform are free, you can also unlock premium features for a relatively affordable monthly fee. What's great about Icy.tools is that its voice feels very aligned with the ethos of the NFT community, which has made it a popular choice among NFT maximalists. So if you're serious about NFTs and want a platform that not only offers valuable analytics tools, but also shares your values and beliefs, Icy.tools is definitely worth considering. Number 4. DappRadar Portfolio Tracker. DappRadar has been a go-to platform for tracking NFT collections and sales data for some time now. However, in 2020, the platform upgraded its offerings with the rollout of its Portfolio Tracker, which provides a simple and convenient way to monitor Ethereum wallets in real time. With the DappRadar Portfolio Tracker, users can easily enter an ENS name or wallet address from the Ethereum, Binance, or Polygon chains and instantly see the wallet's token and NFT balance as its net worth. While the portfolio tracker is relatively limited when it comes to notifications and trade analytics, it's a valuable tool for tracking individual portfolios with readily available DeFi and NFT financial stats. If you're looking for a straightforward and user-friendly way to keep track of your NFT investments and wallet balances, the DappRadar Portfolio Tracker is definitely worth considering. Its real-time monitoring capabilities and easy-to-use interface make it a valuable tool for NFT investors of all levels. Number 5. Rainbow Wallet. It may come as a surprise to some, but Rainbow Wallet, one of the most popular Ethereum wallets in the NFT space, also functions as a portfolio tracker. With Rainbow, users can add another collector's Ethereum wallet address or ENS name to a watchlist, allowing them to view the wallet's contents within the apps. Once added, the watchlist entry will appear under the drop-down menu on the account balances screen. Users can easily switch between watchlist entries to view the coins, their value, the NFTs, and the recent transaction history of the specified wallet. Rainbow Wallet's built-in portfolio tracking feature is a convenient and straightforward way for NFT investors to monitor their own and others' wallet balances. It's an excellent tool for keeping track of your NFT investments, as well as for researching and monitoring the activity of other collectors in the space. Number 6. Marketplace Activity Trackers. If you want to track a specific collect or collection, one of the best places to start is through NFT Marketplace Activity Pages. All you need is a specific wallet or token address, which you can plug into the search bar on OpenSea. Looks rare, rareable, and more. By doing so, you can view recent transactions associated with a blockchain identifier. For example, you can check out Thuen's wallet or Bored Ape Yacht Club activity page to see what sort of NFTs someone has been trading over the past 48 hours. While other tools on this list may be more powerful and comprehensive, marketplace activity trackers are simple and functional tools that are sometimes overlooked by NFT collectors and traders. So if you want to get a quick understanding of someone's NFT trading activities, start with their marketplace activity. Number 7. Etherscan. As an NFT enthusiast, collector, or trader, one of the most valuable tools to have in your arsenal is Etherscan. It's the most popular block explorer for the Ethereum blockchain and provides a direct look at the ins and outs of the network. You can use it to track blocks as they are validated and transactions in real time, including token and wallet transactions. To start using Etherscan, simply enter an ENS name or EX address into the search bar. This will give you access to a wealth of information on the tokens and NFTs held by that address and a ledger of transactions linked to that specific address. Additionally, Etherscan allows users to interact with NFT collections. For example, you can mint a token directly from a smart contract without needing to go through a third-party minting website. Whether you're new to the NFT space or a seasoned veteran, mastering Etherscan is an invaluable skill that can enhance your understanding of the Ethereum blockchain and improve your NFT trading strategies. So here is the bonus tip. Don't forget to follow your favorite NFT projects and collectors on social media. Twitter, Discord, and Telegram are great places to stay up to date on the latest developments, drops, and community events. By building a network of trusted sources, you'll have a better chance of discovering emerging trends and getting ahead of the curve in the NFT market. And that concludes our video on the 7 powerful tools for tracking NFT collectors and trades. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to our channel NFT Empire for more exciting videos on everything related to NFTs. And if you're interested in learning more about NFTs, be sure to check out our other videos, including why are some NFTs so valuable and why some cost so much, and how NFTs are changing the game. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.